How to create a new project using Cooper software. First, find the original project data copied from the device. Check whether the original project data is complete. After the check, open the Cooper software. Click Create and set the task name. The task name cannot contain spaces. Then, select the original project, which can be imported from the device or from the disk. Since we have already copied the data, select Import from Disk. After selecting the original project, click OK. Then select the task path to store the result data. The default unit is meter. Click Create to enter the coordinate system setting. If we do not need the absolute coordinates of the result data or collect data in indoor environments without satellite signals, select the relative coordinate system. If we need the absolute coordinates of the results and collect data in outdoor environments with satellite signals, select the projected coordinate system, and we can set parameters such as the ellipsoid, projection method, and central meridian. After the settings are completed, click OK to finish the coordinate system setup.